आज हमारा रेस्पिरेशन का 5वां लेक्चर है। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर सुचिता जैन, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, जानकी देवी बजाज गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स कॉलेज कोटा। हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में देखा है ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन किस प्रकार से होता है, या केमियोस्मोटिक थ्योरी किस प्रकार से, उसका रेलेवेंस क्या है और कौन कौन सी रिएक्शंस उसमें होती है। अब NADH, it is produced in plenty in the cytoplasm by the enzyme phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase। ग्लाइकोलिसिस की स्टेप हमने देखी, और एनारोबिक कंडीशंस या एरोबिक कंडीशंस में कौन कौन से एंजाइम्स इन्वॉल्व है, कौन कौन सी स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व है और किस प्रकार से रिएक्शंस संपन्न होती है या अभिक्रियाएं संपन्न होती हैं, इनके बारे में हमने देखा। अंडर एरोबिक कंडीशंस एक्स्ट्रा माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल NADH does not accumulate in the cytoplasm and it enters the mitochondria for oxidation in the respiratory chain. It can enter the mitochondria via substrate pairs linked by suitable dehydrogenases. इसके दो पॉसिबल मैकेनिज्म्स हो सकते हैं। देखिए, मेलेट ऑक्सैलोएसिटेट एस्पार्टेट शटल, इट इज़ comparatively of more universal occurrence. NADH is oxidized to oxaloacetate, which is reduced to malic acid. The malate is transferred to mitochondria by alpha ketoglutarate transporter. Malate is then oxidized by the respiratory chain of the inner membrane, and the oxaloacetate OAA is converted to aspartate by the transaminase enzyme. The aspartate diffuses out of the mitochondria into the cytosol by glutamate, aspartate transporter, and the aspartate is converted to oxaloacetate by a transaminase. तो इस प्रकार से chain of reactions they occur. Glycerophosphate dihydroxyacetone phosphate shuttle. In this mechanism, the mitochondrial enzyme is linked to the respiratory chain via a flavoprotein FAD rather than NAD. Thus, only 2 rather than 3 ATP are generated per atom of oxygen consumed, as in the case of succinate oxidation. 1 ATP is consumed in causing the entry of cytoplasmic NADH into the mitochondria against NADH concentration gradient. The net gain of ATP per hexose is thus 36 and not 38. The external NADH reduces dihydroxyacetone phosphate to glycerol phosphate, and the mitochondrial membrane is permeable to glycerol phosphate, which enters the mitochondrion where it is reoxidized by the respiratory chain to form dihydroxyacetone phosphate, which is free to diffuse to the outside to react again with NADH. अब प्रोटीन का ऑक्सीडेशन, protein is hydrolyzed into free amino acids. Of all the amino acids of plant cells, only glutamic acid is believed to be oxidized directly by the enzyme glutamic acid dehydrogenase into alpha ketoglutaric acid, and ammonia in the presence of NAD, alpha ketoglutaric acid enters the Krebs cycle to undergo cyclic degradation of and oxidation. Of special types of respiration, these are the processes when organic substrates are oxidized. There is a type of bacterial respiration in which several inorganic substances they are oxidized with the help of atmospheric oxygen. Such bacteria are called as chemosynthetic and aerobic bacteria. Regulation of respiration कैसे होता है? According to Chance and Williams, the rate of respiration occurring within the mitochondria is controlled by 5 conditions or 5 states. Number 1 is availability of ADP and substrate. Substrate या ADP उपलब्ध है या नहीं है. Availability of क्रियाधार या substrate हम कहेंगे केवल है कि नहीं है. The capacity of the respiratory chain itself when all substrates and components are present in adequate amounts, or availability of ADP only, और अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ओनली। 5 अलग अलग कंडीशंस हैं जहाँ पर रेस्पिरेशन की रेट पर जिसका प्रभाव हो सकता है। मेटाबॉलिक पुल, the oxidation of carbohydrates, fats as well as amino acids takes place through Krebs cycle. The cycle is not only a degradation process. Some of the intermediate compounds of the cycle lead to the synthesis of large molecules. The whole complex of intermeshing systems can be regarded as a metabolic pool, and universal melting pot or a roundabout form which eradicate the roads leading to the synthesis of protein, fats, carbohydrates and other compounds, as well as the roads on which materials are brought in the form of carbohydrates and proteins. तो इसे मेटाबॉलिक पूल भी कहा जाता है। Transphosphorylases, they catalyze transfer of phosphate either from one kind of molecule to another or from one position to another position. The presence of magnesium ions seems to be necessary for this activity. Some of the enzymes of this group and the reactions that they catalyze are given below like this. This is the table showing transphosphorylases. हेक्सोकाइनेस एंजाइम है, सबस्ट्रेट जो क्रियाधार है वो ग्लूकोज और फ्रुक्टोज है प्लस एटीपी, एंड एंड प्रोडक्ट विच वी गेट इज ग्लूकोज और फ्रुक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट प्लस एडीपी। तो इस प्रकार से ट्रांसफॉस्फोरिलेजेस का रोल इस टेबल में बताया गया है। यहाँ देखिए फॉस्फोग्लिसरोम्यूटेज 3 फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड converting it to 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphopyruvate kinase 2-phosphopyruvic acid plus ADP converting to pyruvic acid plus ATP. Desmolases are there, carboxylases, hydrases, सबका अपना रोल है। Desmolases, the best known example is aldolase. It splits up fructose 1,6-diphosphate into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. You have already studied in the glycolysis. Carboxylases, the decarboxylation of oxalosuccinic acid is catalyzed by carboxylase enzyme. And hydrases, one of the hydrases, that is enolase, it removes water from 2-phosphoglyceric acid to produce 2-phosphopyruvic acid. So there are different examples, aconitase, fumarase, etc. The hydrogen atoms and the electrons are taken up by certain acceptors which get reduced. Such reactions are catalyzed by dehydrogenases. कई सारे एंजाइम्स, कोएंजाइम्स, एक्सेप्टर्स, इनका सबका रोल रहेगा और यहाँ फ्लेवोप्रोटीन्स है। तो इस प्रकार से हाइड्रोजन एक्सेप्टर्स आर नॉर्मली द कोएंजाइम्स NAD or NADP, and the reduced coenzymes then transfer the hydrogen to FAD of the flavoproteins which get reduced. FAD reduced to FADH2, you have seen earlier. Flavoproteins are another important enzyme, dehydrogenases, concerned in the transfer of hydrogen and electrons. They are natural hydrogen acceptors and are alternatively reduced and oxidized. As with the dehydrogenases, it is their prosthetic group flavin mononucleotide FMN and flavin adenine dinucleotide which is active in oxidation. The prosthetic group contains the yellow riboflavin. In respiratory metabolism, they play an important role in as much as they accept the hydrogen form, the reduced dehydrogenase and get reduced. They are reoxidized by the enzymes of the cytochrome group. तो इस प्रकार से साइटोक्रोम्स की भी इम्पोर्टेंस है, फ्लेवोप्रोटीन्स की भी है, और अलग अलग सेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस में रेस्पिरेटरी एंजाइम्स का इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है. The cytochromes B, C and C1 get reduced and oxidized alternatively in that order after receiving the electrons from the flavoprotein. हमने ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन में साइटोक्रोम चेन और उनका रोल देखा. साइटोक्रोम ऑक्सीडेज, it was only in 1939 when Kalin and Harty made the remarkable separation of cytochrome oxidase which reacted directly with oxygen. This new cytochrome, that is cytochrome A3, proved to be the ultimate step in the transport of electrons and the hydrogen ions to oxygen to form water. Polyphenol oxidase, phenol catechol oxidases are very important copper containing enzymes. They are involved in the oxidation of phenols to the corresponding quinines and the quinines react with the cell contents to produce characteristic brown pigments which can be seen after injury of plant tissues. Now, a few terminal oxidases like ascorbic acid oxidase, glycolic acid oxidase, and peroxidase and catalase. The hydrogen peroxide, on receiving the hydrogen atoms and the electrons, they get converted into water. Peroxidase, in presence of peroxidase enzyme, H2O2, it gives rise to two water molecules plus A released. A is released. The reaction is analogous to that of oxidases, except that instead of oxygen and hydrogen peroxide serves as the hydrogen acceptor. Catalase brings about the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. As the oxygen is given off in the molecular state, catalase is generally not regarded as an oxidizing enzyme. Its function is supposed to be the destruction of hydrogen peroxide, which may be produced as a byproduct of metabolism. अब ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स है दे आर अफेक्टिंग द एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. The rate of respiration varies with a number of factors, both external as well as internal. Normally, the rate of respiration would increase with the increase in respirable material or oxygen in aerobic respiration. However, there are many cases where oxygen reduces the rate of sugar breakdown and even conserves it. This is known as the Pasteur effect. The rate of sugar loss also decreases with the accumulation of the end products and carbon dioxide. Temperature has a marked effect on the rate of respiration. Recent studies have shown that light also affects the rate of respiration, a phenomenon which is called as photorespiration. You have already studied photorespiration. Respiration rate varies greatly with the age. In the growing stage, the rate of respiration is somewhat steady. In a maturing fruit, there is rise in the rate of respiration. This is called as climacetric, and it is associated with the production of ethylene. Ethyl alcohol acetaldehyde accumulate due to less availability of oxygen to the cells, and the old age period it is called as senescence. The respiration rate it declines. जैसे जैसे प्लांट की एज बढ़ती जाएगी रेस्पिरेशन रेट डिक्रीज होगी. There are a number of factors, some internal, external, which influence the rate of aerobic respiration. The internal factors are the protoplasmic factors and the concentration of the respirable material. The external factors are temperature, light, oxygen concentration, CO2 concentration, water, injury, mechanical effects and effects of certain chemicals. बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं. आप देखिए प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक फैक्टर्स है, कंसंट्रेशन है, रेस्पिरेबल मटेरियल जैसे हम देखते हैं सबस्ट्रेट या किस पे कौन सा जो क्रियाधार है वहाँ पर श्वसन की प्रक्रिया हो रही है. और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स भी है, टेम्परेचर है, लाइट है, ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर है, वाटर, मे बी एनी इंजुरी, मैकेनिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ सर्टन केमिकल कंपाउंड्स. So these are the factors, and in summary we can say aerobic respiration is common to nearly all eukaryotic organisms, and in its broad outlines the respiratory processes in plants is similar to that found in animals and lower eukaryotes. However, some differences exist in plant respiration that distinguish it from animal respiration. The plants lack respiratory system and respiratory movements. The exchange of gases in plants is also different because during daylight respiration is slightly suppressed due to photosynthesis, and sometimes the plants do not use oxygen during respiration, that is anaerobic respiration. In some cases, CO2 is not liberated outside the cells. Therefore, oxidation of food, we can say respiration is oxidation of food only. Ab respiration, oxidation of food materials inside the cells, it is called as respiration. ATP, long form it is adenosine triphosphate. Aerobic respiration, respiration occurring in presence of oxygen. Respiratory substrate which are used as fuel in respiration. ETS is electron transport system. Respiratory quotient या श्वसन गुणांक जिसे आप कहेंगे, the ratio of volume of CO2 liberated and O2 used or absorbed during respiration. It is called as respiratory quotient. Here is some self-learning exercise, whether respiration is exothermic or endothermic reaction or common immediate source of highest in cellular is which one. Enzymes taking part in glycolysis are present in where? Mitochondria, cytoplasm, vacuole, or both mitochondria and cytoplasm. The value of RQ at condensation point is unity, infinity, 1 or 0. Very short answer type questions are there. You can go through these questions, try to solve these questions. If you have any queries, you are free to ask. Try to understand the process of respiration, study, and visit or subscribe this YouTube channel CC Raj JDBGC Kota to study the topic respiration. All the 5 lectures are there and all the processes they have covered in this topic. And if you have any query, you are free to ask. Subscribe YouTube channel CC Raj JDB GGC Kota. Thank you very much. Thank you.